Assalamu alaikum. Today we are going to discuss the recent amendments in CRPC. That what kind of amendments have been made in CRPC. There are many essential and useful reforms have been made in CRPC which we are gonna discuss one by one. Number one, there is amendment that FIR reforms. Major reforms in criminal procedure have been made regarding FIRs. There are some important points. I'm gonna discuss them one by one. Number one, reduced police monopoly over FIR registration, increased powers of magistrate, and the goal was quick and transparent justice. So I'm gonna explain this in detail. That recent reforms in Pakistan's criminal procedure system have significantly reduced the exclusive control of police over FIR registration and strengthened the role of magistrates. These changes aim to ensure quick, transparent, and citizen-friendly justice. And the second is increased powers of magistrate. Previously, citizens have to approach the session courts under section 22A and 22B CRPC, which was time consuming. Now, direct intervention. A complainant can directly approach a magistrate under section 156 subsection 3 and 190 CRPC if police delay or refuse to register an FIR. Magistrate can now clearly direct police to register an FIR immediately and submit compliance report. Accountability of police. How police can be accountable in this regard. If FIR is not registered within 24 hours, the magistrate may summon the SHO and recommend disciplinary action against that IO or SHO. There are also some key legal reforms which we are gonna discuss that what these key legal reforms are. Number one is a digital FIR system introduced. Point 2, 24 hours decision timeline, zero FIR concept implemented, and police refusal now punishable. We are gonna explain them one by one. Number one, digital FIR and time bound system. All complaints are now digitally recorded. If no action is taken within 24 hours, the case is marked as pending and senior officers like DPO must respond. And now what is zero FIR concept? And so I'm gonna explain the zero FIR concept. No police can refuse a complaint based on jurisdiction. FIR must be registered immediately and later transferred to the relevant police station. It means there will be no excuse from police that this incident has not taken place in his jurisdiction. So the police is bound to register FIR, which is called zero FIR. Further, police will transfer the same to the concerned police station which has the jurisdiction, which is a big relief to people. If police refuse, police will be punishable. In this regard, if police refuse on the basis that police station has no jurisdiction, that's why they are not gonna register or lodge FIR under section 166A PPC. Refusal or deliberate delay in FIR registration can lead to criminal liability, including imprisonment and fine. Magistrate can initiate such proceedings. And further, now we are gonna discuss procedure for FIR, that how FIR will be submitted. Point number one, submit complaint and get diary number. Wait 24 hours for response. Approach senior officers. If delayed, file application before magistrate. New procedure for registration FIR. I'm gonna discuss step by step. Number one, first step, submit a written complaint at the police station and obtain a diary or tag number or apply online via online apps or service center. Second step, if no FIR is registered within 24 hours, approach senior officers like SDPO, DSP or DPO. Third step is judicial remedy. File an application before the magistrate through a lawyer. The magistrate may order first registration FIR reviewing the record. And in timeline and compliance, immediate FIR for cognizable offense is 24 hours limit for doubtful cases, 24 to 48 hours compliance on magistrate order, 1 to 2 hours priority for sensitive cases. Online FIR registration. Citizens can now report crimes digitally. Reduce police discretions. Police cannot arbitrarily refuse FIR registration. Delay or refusal. The refusal is digitally recorded and monitored. Now we are discussing amendment in section 154. I am going to discuss a section here, amendment in 154 CRPC. There are some amendments which I have discussed above, that citizens can now report crimes digitally. Police cannot arbitrarily refuse FIR registration. Delay or refusal is digitally recorded and monitored. Mandatory timelines, which we discussed about, that what are mandatory timelines, that within how many hours the FIR should be registered. In doubtful cases, as we discussed, police may conduct brief verification but must decide within 24 hours. Police may conduct brief verification because if there is any doubt, first police may or should conduct verification about the crime or offense, that is this a cognizable offense or not. First, decided within 24 hours. It should be decided in 24 hours. Magistrate orders first must be registered and report submit within 24 to 48 hours. If magistrate orders, then police should within 24 to 48 hours compliance on magistrate's order. If there is sensitive cases like their woman is involved or children is involved, priority registration should be within 1 to 2 hours. There should be quick response to sensitive cases. Consequences of delay. Now what will be the consequences if there is delay? Digital alters to senior officers case marked as pending action under section 166A PPC includes imprisonment and fine. Delay triggers automatic alters to senior police officials. Action under section 166A PPC for non-compliance. There are many other remedies which we will inshallah gonna discuss in some other cases. So the basic concept of these amendments are to speedy justice and accessible approach for every citizen of Pakistan, that they should be given equal rights and they should access justice easily. Overall, the conclusion of this amendment is end arbitrary police discretion, that police on its own discretion will not decide whether which FIR should be lodged or which should not be, according to their own convenience. This reform empowers magistrates. Before, it was that people had to approach session courts under section 22A and section 22B, but now they can easily approach magistrate, which is accessible. Ensures accountability via technology, that technology or digital is introduced in these cases and FIR can be registered digitally, so this is justice at your doorsteps. I hope you will like today's lecture, and it is understandable to everyone, and everyone should know its rights. Inshallah, we are gonna discuss same topic in Urdu in our next lecture. Thank you. Fi amanillah. Allah Hafiz.